let's go on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Jamie Mitchell, 202063. And appearance, counsel?
Your Honor, Christopher Shemke appearing on behalf of Ms. Mitchell. At this time, we consent to the matter being heard via Zoom.
Ms. Mitchell, your name, please.
Jamie Mitchell.
All right, thank you. Today is the date scheduled for sentencing on your client's plea to operating while intoxicated. Second offense, the driving while license suspended was dismissed. Counsel, do you have an opportunity to review the report and recommendation with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, it's factually accurate.
All right, as to the arraignment, I'm sorry, the recommendation.
Your Honor, we believe that the recommendations are quite adequate. We'd ask they be adopted.
All right, ma'am, let me just clarify, do we have a Ms. Simmons or Ms. Romanowski present? We do not, okay. All right, Ms. Mitchell, this court's been waiting for you for quite a while on your matter, and the court will note that that the recommendation is appropriate. Ms. Mitchell is not a candidate for probation. And there hasn't been any restitution requested as of yet. We need to have Ms. Mitchell fingerprinted. I don't know exactly how that's going to happen since she's currently in the Wayne County Jail. And the court will indicate 93 days jail. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm not 93 days jail. This is operating while intoxicated, second offense. The court. How long have you been in custody, ma'am?
August 1st.
Okay.
Your Honor, ma'am, she was booked into the Wayne County Jail on September 8th.
But I was here August 1st too.
No,
Yeah, for that one.
you left the building though.
Oh, well,
Okay, September 8th. Okay, thank you.
but I've seen
Okay.
you before that.
Well, that was on another matter. That was on the matter that you absconded from the 23rd District Court, correct?
Yeah, but I've dealt with, I was arraigned with you too as well. So August 1st, as my attorney. Well, in
August
August, I
4th.
dealt with you.
August 4th, you were arraigned. And, okay, but were you in custody or out of custody when you were arraigned?
In custody?
In custody, correct.
Yes,
And so you were arrested on a warrant, correct?
to come back? I'm confused to which
Okay.
part you're asking.
How did you end up getting arrested? How were you in Wyandotte custody? Or Wayne County Jail custody?
Right now,
No,
I wanted to
August
do the time. Oh, okay. I don't know what this.
August 3rd, you were in the Wayne County Jail.
Yes, I want a warrant.
On your warrant, correct.
Yes,
That's because you were sentenced to jail after absconding from the 23rd District Court, correct?
nope, I was here for Lincoln Park.
Okay, the 25th District Court then.
Yes,
Okay. So my point is, you were not necessarily in custody on this court's bond. You were there for sentencing on other matters.
yes, and then I went home on your bond, and then I came back.
And how did you end up back in custody?
Cause I'm doing my sentence. I'd rather do the jail. I wanted to do the jail time. I didn't get in any more
Okay.
trouble or anything.
On one of your other matters, correct?
Yes, on my Taylor matter, yes. Yes, this is for, yes.
Okay. All right. Here's what the court's going to do. The court's going to indicate on this matter 180 days jail credit for,
80 days.
no, 180 days, not 80 days, 180 days.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
She be cooking, motherfuckers.
Yeah. How am I not a candidate for probation when I haven't even dealt with probate anything and like that?
Excuse me, ma'am, first of all, I'm not really sure who else is talking there with you, about cooking, but, also, this is not funny. This is an operating while intoxicated second offense. You had an accident, you hit 2 other cars. You failed to appear in this court. You also were participating in a treatment court that you absconded from. Therefore, given your criminal history, and if you'd like, I can be more specific, your matter out of Lincoln Park from 2017, your malicious destruction of property.
That was
Disorderly drunk
dismissed.
in 2000, don't interrupt, don't interrupt.
Okay, I thought you
Disorderly
can't bring
drunk
up.
out of 2017. Do not interrupt me, please. The recording can record one at a time. Disorderly drunk out of Taylor 2017. Operating while impaired out of Taylor 2018. Driving while license suspended, 3 of those, Lincoln Park, Trenton, and Lincoln Park, 18, 19, and 23. All right, excuse me, are you paying attention, ma'am, or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and that is why this court is indicating on your operating while intoxicated second offense, 180 days jail. Credit for 63 days. You're to serve the balance, and I will waive the fines and costs.
Thank you. Can I go now?
Yes, off the record.
Thank you. Have a good day. Hope it turns better.
Glenn, we're going on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Amir Boykin, 231785. And appearance,
Luther Glenn appearing on behalf of Mr. Boykin, P 38683.
okay. And Mr. Boykin, if you can please unmute. Hello?
How are you? I'm Amir Boykin.
Going. Your name, please?
Good. Said Amir Boykin.
Okay, thank you. All right, do you have an S on the end of your name or not? Because, well, I guess it doesn't really matter. We have you listed both ways, so.
Amir Boykin. Boykin.
Okay, it sounds as though you're saying an S at the end of that. Okay. And, consultation date scheduled for the probable cause conference.
We would like to set this matter for an in-person exam, Your Honor.
Okay, we can do. Oh. What day are you looking at, counsel?
Is the 12th available?
We can do the 12th at 11 a.m.
That's a good date and time, Your Honor.
Okay, and so the court will indicate 11 a.m. Any witness and exhibit list by October 9th. And you said you wanted to address bond, is that what you indicated, counsel?
Yeah, I would like to address bond. It's my understanding that this matter, my client has another matter that's pending in the Third Circuit. It's my understanding that he was getting ready to be processed out of jail when this matter showed up. So I would ask the court to reduce my client's bond to a personal bond with the GPS tether.
Mr. Shajra, if you'd like to place your appearance on the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Omar Shajra on behalf of the people, P 86332.
All right, and the request is to amend this to a personal bond.
Judge, the people to object to any bond reduction on this case, Judge. These allegations stem from an incident where officers were, they had an active warrant out for the defendant, Judge. At the time, he had an active absconder warrant from the Third Circuit Court for computer fraud out of Sterling Heights. There was a misdemeanor larceny charge in Dearborn. And as part of a bond conditions also listed that the complaining witness in this case had a no contact order, given that we had a 27th District Court case here that it was a FA child abuse case and the complaining witness was hiding out in her house. He threatened her at the point where when the officers arrived, he indicated to her that she shouldn't open the door for the cops. And then when they conducted the search warrant, he was located there inside. Now, Judge, at that time, there was a tether on the defendant. Officers indicated that there was wires out of the tether and it was discharged at that time. So we believe that the defendant in this case is a flight risk and a danger to the community, Judge. And we ask that the bond remain the same.
Okay, anything else, Mr. Glenn?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, and the court does recall all of those factors and those allegations that were placed on the record by the prosecuting attorney as to the reasons why this court indicated a $100,000 cash bond, no 10%, no surety, as well as all the bond conditions with no contact at all, phone contact, text message, social media, third party, anything of the like, not to enter the premises at the victim's address or place of employment, not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed, not to possess or have access to firearms and or any weapons, and in the event bond is posted, GPS tether house arrest. So for all those reasons, bonding conditions are continued.
All right, thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
So did I get a personal or just the same bond?
Same bond.
Sir, I did not amend your bond. Absolutely, am I not giving you a personal bond, given the allegations, your failure to appear, your violation of the no contact order? Would you like me to
Okay, ma'am, I
continue?
just see you. Okay, ma'am, I just see you. When is that, the 12th?
Yes, a week from today.
All right, so I'll just see you the 12th. No big worries at all.
No what?
I said no worries at all because I'm gonna have my lawyer look into that search warrant and everything. Cause it don't make it's okay, man. I'll just see you the 12th.
Okay. All right, thank you. See you Thursday. Off the record for a moment.
Yeah. This case deep, like.